Hi everyone, it's Tara, the eyeshadow shopper, and I am excited to be with you today. I have a product that I picked up a few weeks ago. I've been using. It's called the African Shea Butter, and it's 100% natural. Now, I did order this on Amazon, and I think I paid maybe about $5 for it. But you get how many ounces? I guess I should have figured this out before I started filming. But anyway, you can see that you get a pretty large amount of actual shea butter. I'm going to open the top of it so you can see how it looks on the inside. As I stated to you earlier, I have been using a lot of it, and I absolutely love it. The consistency is very, very thick it's like natural shea butter. That's kind of what it looks like, and you just take it and you can put it in the palm of your hand and rub it together, rub it, and it kind of melts away. And you can just rub it into your skin. It makes your skin feel so luxurious. I like to put it on after I exfoliate or after I do like a lavender bath. And as you can see, I don't have really too much dryness, and I do love it. It does have a light scent, and for the price of it, you really can't beat it. I'm just finished. I'm finished rubbing everything in, but it's a good product to check out. I prefer this type of shea butter versus the actual lotions because I just really don't feel like I'm getting a real product. But anyway, that's my spill on the African Shea Butter. You can go to Amazon.com and look it up and order you some, and order some for a friend because, the fall is coming up and we need to be soft and supple. So anyway, if you'd like more information on another product, just message me at the bottom there. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.